Hey everybody, this is Colin Reed at MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island. Today I'd like to take you through Boston Whaler's 250 Dauntless. This is the 2024 model. The gel coat is the desert tan along with a black rub rail with a stainless steel insert. It pairs nicely with the black powder coated hardtop, and then also pairs nicely with the black 300 Verado from Mercury. Would also like to point out the classic Whaler look here with the red graphics, and let's hop inside and take a look. All right, now that we're inside the boat, I would like to point out this very versatile bow here. It can be very nice lounging, but also all the cushions can come up and have a great casting platform. You do have a seat on port and starboard side that can click up into place and then easily be put back down. Also would like to notice the split bow rails up front. Very nice for safety. Great handle as you're moving around the boat. Also have a very, very nice lounge here up at the front of this boat that will open up and expose some very nice storage as well. As you can see here, this is where your bow table insert will store, along with storage for the poles here for your bow shade kit. There is rod holders up front to insert, and then clips at the top of the hardtop here to where you can fully shade this entire bow area. As we move forward through the boat, once again, would like to point out this beautiful black powder coated hardtop from Boston Whaler. Here you have a typical steering wheel along with your digital throttle and shift. It does have trim tabs with LED indicators as well. Notice that there is no Garmin on this, so you can install whichever one that you would like. I'd like to demonstrate how this helm seat works here. Obviously, you can sit down, very comfortable position to captain the boat here, but also can lock into place and face aft as well. So now we have a nice area to where we can sit, conversate with the other people on the boat. Underneath, would also like to point out that there is a very large live well. Pairs nicely with this other live well. So dual live wells on this particular model. This 250 Dauntless is made for fishing along with lounging. Stows away nice and clean. We have dual seats as well. Would like to point out that these will clip in and are magnetized. But if we want to get down to fishing here, can easily stow away, go away, and turn this into a very large, very nice casting platform. Once again, would like to point out the 300 Mercury V8 Verado. Very nice engine package for this particular model. Once again, this is Colin Reed, MarineMax Charleston at Daniel Island. If you would like to take a look at this or any other of our models that we have here, please give us a call at 843-747-1889. Thanks.